We believe in the hum of machines, the spark of welders, and the precision of people who turn raw materials into the future. We believe that every bridge, phone, car, medical device, and satellite begins not with a brand name, but with a blueprint, a process, and a maker. We believe that manufacturing doesn't just run the world, it builds it, powers it, and makes life possible. But somewhere along the way, the world forgot. Manufacturing was labeled old, dirty, and disposable. The people who build things, the engineers, machinists, welders, designers, and founders, were pushed out of the spotlight. We're here to change that. We are a platform, a story engine, and a movement. We celebrate the unsung parts. We spotlight the overlooked people. We pull back the curtain on what makes the world actually work. We don't chase hype. We honor craft. We don't follow trends. We create foundations. We don't just talk about innovation. We make it. This is for the next-gen engineer building sustainable factories, the shop floor veteran mentoring the new kid, the entrepreneur starting a CNC shop in a garage, the kid who loves 3D printing and doesn't yet realize they're already part of the future. This is manufacturing reimagined. This is what runs the world. Welcome to the movement.